Hello friends, today I am sharing a healthy smoothie recipe which you can have in your breakfast also. Starting your day with a healthy smoothie is good for health. So let's get started. First step, cut the apples in medium sized pieces. I prefer apples with skin also as it contains half of the fiber. Now in a blender add apple pieces, 2 tablespoons plain oats, almonds, walnuts, 2 cardamom seeds, 1 pinch of saffron sticks. You may skip also if you don't have saffron sticks. Milk, half glass of water, dates. Run the blender for a minute until you get a smooth consistency. Now our healthy oats, apples, dry fruit smoothie ready to serve. Top up with some almonds and honey. Healthy, delicious oats dragon fruit smoothie. Check the ingredients. Here I have dragon fruit. It has a lot of health benefits in it. Sugar, dry figs soaked in water at least for 1 hour, 1 glass of water, 3 glasses of fresh milk, oats, walnuts. Dragon fruits come in 2 varieties. One is red and the other one is white. Here I have red one. I like the bright red color. Scoop out slowly. Add in juicer. Add figs, walnuts, 4 teaspoon oats. Here I have plain oats. Sugar 4 teaspoon or according to your taste. A glass of water. Milk. Cover it and blend it on high speed. So beautiful color. Now our healthy, delicious oats dragon fruit smoothie is ready to serve. Friends, you are always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.